photo shoot. DW's gonna kick my ass. Sorry, DW, if you see this, I'm so sorry. But just know I was really rushing. I'm really trying to make it. I'm right here. I'm right here. Okay, hold on.
I mean, we out here on Long Street. There's 3rd Street right there.
Where you see Long Street? The club?
It's right there.
Shit.
See it? Long Street. So turn right here on Elm.
Okay, I'm right here. Hold on, I have to go behind, because you know Long is a one-way. I can't.
Be careful over these potholes.
Oh, I see him. I'm right here, like,
look,
right.
Raindrop drives crazy as fuck, everybody. Like, I'm surprised I don't have on my fucking seatbelt right now.
I know, I'm right here.
She drives crazy as fuck.
Where can I
She drives. Look, she's late for a photo shoot right now, but she drives like this.
Where's it at? Okay, I'm in this parking lot.
But we about to go in here and see what's cracking with this photo shoot.
Okay.
Just pulled up.
Can I park over here?
Shit.
Think about it. I'm the shit. Why doubt it? Can I park over here?
You should have parked on the other side. You see where that blue car is at? Just swing on over there right quick. Where that blue car is at? Park, yep, and park next to that car.
Sure.
Yep, just swing over there right quick. Just swing over there.
Shit, he got me this $5.
Ah, she did it. Ah.
This only $5. This ain't shit.
Monthly, no, you ain't gotta pay to park right here right now.
I don't.
Nah.
Back the fucking
I hate the vlog and fucking cars gone. We come back out here, but it's not though.
I know. I didn't have an incident downtown.
I didn't have an incident like that. That's why I don't fucking drive down here no more.
I'll put my shoe. We're here.
My vlog.
Big up to DW.
Shutting shit down. Our name ring bells. We the hottest round town.
My vlog this whole thing. Photo shoots. Say what's up, Nico, to the camera. Say what's up, bro. Alright,
come on.
Alright.
Yay!
At the car. Swag is definitely on 100 right now. Definitely out here on Long Street. What's up? Damn, what's happening with you, dog? What's good? Okay. DW in the building.
Yeah.
Say what's up. Say what's up to the camera, man.
What's good? What's good? You already know who this is, man. We about to do the photo shoot.
Okay. Then nobody want to get him.
Okay. That's cool.
Look, we on Long Street right now, one of the hottest clubs in Columbus right now, aka the Global, the Ice Fire. Be going down up here on the weekend, so you know, it's going down. Out here supporting Raindrop's photo shoot. Doing it big. Be looking out for the video. One big room full of bad bitches.
Okay. You gonna put my keys in your pocket? Finally made it. I told you I was running late, man.
She made it.
I'm glad DW worked with me. Shit crazy, man. You got Raindrop down here, downtown Columbus.
Downtown
do the
Columbus.
damn thing.
We give them a glimpse.
So you said right around here, right?
That's where it's at, y'all. Hate those motherfuckers right there. Y'all can get a picture of them. That's where it's at. It's definitely going down. Check out the fit.
You gotta like follow
Nah.
Miss Chris, Hard Life Entertainment. I'm doing this for our city. Shout out to Mike Dawson, OG Have, Deli, Fat Twan. I fucks with all y'all.
Say what's up, bro. Nico. Say what's up, bro.
What's up, bro?
What's your name? I didn't get your name. What's up with you?
Big Watt, man.
All right, LJ. Nice to meet you.
Right.
Big Watt in the building. Columbus down here, man, supporting Raindrops.
Yeah, it's about to
Photo
rain.
shoot. It's really about to rain though too.
Hey, this
Rain.
photo shoot gonna be live as fuck. I'm telling you, man. Check
Alright.
the hit up the webpage, man. It's gonna be up there.
For sure, man. We out here doing big things. I told y'all, man. It's on a whole different level now. It's on a whole different level. It's on a whole different level. Look. Told y'all, man. It's on a whole different level. Raindrop over here doing her thing. Nico. Come on, let's go around here. Come on. Out here doing her thing. Definitely going down. What is he down there talking about? Raindrop doing her thing. Nico, come here. Definitely doing the damn thing if you didn't know. Back this way. Getting everybody on camera. Columbus people showing us love. Raindrops ass. Told y'all, man. We on some different shit right now. We on some different shit. Look. Told y'all. Tried to tell y'all. Try to tell y'all, man. If y'all not running with us, y'all getting ran the fuck over real fast, man. I tried to tell niggas. I tried to tell niggas. I'm trying to tell niggas. Big shout out to DW, definitely doing the damn thing. Okay? You hear me?
He already put in like 80 pics. It's only been like 10 seconds. He already put in 80 pics. Nigga crazy, man.
I love it. Nice. Wait till y'all see this.
That ain't nothing.
Yeah, this ain't nothing. You heard DW. DW want your pictures done in Columbus, Ohio. Hit up DW. He doing a damn thing. You heard me? Look, we got proof. You gonna see it. Just watch. Just watch.
Okay, some more. Definitely on. Nico, damn. Come on, boy. You need to be in front of everybody. All angles. It's definitely going down. Raindrop doing her thing. DW. In this picture, just to let y'all know he ain't bullshit. Y'all see the DW on the shirt. I'm saying, Raindrop. It's definitely going down. I'm trying to tell y'all. So it's definitely going down out here. It's not playing, man.
Nico, look over there.
Oh,
Hey, Columbus got edges, boy. Definitely. I see it over here. shout out to motherfucking Deepest. Shout out to Bow Wow too, man. I mean, you know what I'm saying? Look, he from here. You know what I'm saying? A lot of niggas don't fuck with him, but bro, if you see this dog, I'll fuck with you. Bro. It ain't no haters over here this way, my nigga. It's all good. Nico, come here.
Look at LJ. Go ahead. Go get in the camera. Go say cheek. Go say hi.
I need to look like I'm the baddest bitch in the city. Straight attitude.
Down. A lot of attention. Definitely happening. A lot of attention, man. A lot of attention. Shout out to anybody that was fucking hating.
Man, shout out to the haters, man. Shout out to the haters, man.
For real.
Man, if you ain't got no
Big
haters.
shout out to y'all motherfuckers.
Hell yeah.
I don't need Twitter right now. Fuck that. Shout out to all y'all niggas. Oink, oink. Nico, where you at, dog? Still going down. Doing her thing. Her and DW. Look at my partner in crime. Doing her thing. Yeah, everything good. Everything good. I got all of it on tape. Got everything. I got all the footage. Getting all the footage. Getting all.
I'm doing everything, man.
All right. So we ain't playing with niggas. Swag is super on 100. Swag super on 100. Swag super on 100. Swag super on 100. Shit's going down, though. What's up, bro? What's your name, bro?
Murder,
Man, Murder. From Columbus, bro?
Yeah, fair
that's
with
what's up,
Livingston,
bro.
man.
We doing it for Columbus.
Nail, man. Livingston Avenue, man. Feel me? Yeah, man. Just down here in the city and shit. Something pretty. What's your name, ma?
Raindrop.
Raindrop. Okay, I'm some inky and shit.
You ain't seen nothing yet.
It's popping.
My mixtape gonna be dropping in October, the forecast, so look out for it.
Tell them again.
My mixtape, the forecast, will be dropping October. The first week of October, I don't know for sure exactly what date, but I will keep y'all posted.
The forecast, be looking out for that. Niggas already know what I be on. I ain't gotta say nothing. I already know. Did Nico just jump? Oops. All good though.
Shake it off. Shake it off.
He
Shake.
good. He good.
Here, you want to wear it like mommy? Here, this